Hey, I'm Steve. Thanks for visiting my channel to learn more about English speaking. Here are some time-tested tips to help you prepare so that you feel empowered to impress others. If you pay attention to these 5 crucial tips when you plan and deliver your next speech, you have an easier time and your audience will get more out of the experience. Now, if you want to overcome nervousness, the first guideline is simply to know what you're talking about. You have an easier time giving a speech on a subject. If you know your subject well, want to speak about your favorite musician, read any information on the person that you can find online or the library. When you become an authority on a topic, the audience will want to learn where they came from you. And you won't have to struggle to get the message straight. If you know a message as well, it's a chance to talk about a subject you know best, yourself. Then all you have to focus on is practicing how well you tell your story.
A great way to find success is to visualize it. Give yourself time for this important form of preparation. See yourself making important valid points with appropriate gestures and body language that emotionally connect you with the audience. Once you see yourself using what works, you feel more relaxed and confident. And don't forget to imagine pausing while your audience applauds wildly. Understand the importance of knowing who will be listening to you and where you'll be when you give your presentation. Both the audience and location can create limitation that is important to understand. For example, if you are a researcher, you might speak about the math behind your work. Now, if you are addressing a group of colleagues, professors, you could use highly technical language to discuss a sophisticated research project. Would you do that if you were describing your work to a group of school children? For young kids, wouldn't it be better to talk about people learn things through research? Knowing your audience means understanding and respecting their particular characteristics. Before you prepare your speech, their geography, politics, culture, and age, and other traits will define them as a group and will guide you in tailoring the presentation to fit their needs. Be sure to check out your location before you present. Will there be enough space on stage for everything you need? If you are planning to deliver a PowerPoint presentation, are you sure that you'll have a screen? Or have it placed in an outdoor amphitheater with too much sun for anyone to see the screen? What about audience size? Will a sound system be available if you need it? All these questions that are important to answer before they take the stage. This is an eye-opener for you, not your audience. You'll be surprised how much an audience misses during a presentation. If you make a minor mistake such as skipping a portion of your speech or forgetting a few words, don't worry, your audience most likely doesn't have a clue. Just keep going and you find a way back on track with the next point. If you apologize, you call attention to the wrong part of your presentation, which takes away the important point you want to make. An advanced speaker knows how to guide the audience's attention toward the important part and away from the small stuff. Whether you make a mistake or not, just remember that people want you to do a good job, and because of that, they're rooting for you. It helps to remember this with the next tip. Some beginning speakers let their nervousness win because they make a mistake of focusing entirely on themselves. When something goes wrong, for example, your reaction can cause your voice to shake. Then all you hear is your shaky voice. That becomes the focus of the thought. But remember, you're giving a talk for an important reason. Keep that reason in mind and focus on what's really important. Your message. Find a passion to entertain, educate, inspire, or motivate your audience. And you find a purpose and your voice.